Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcomes you in FindOut Classes. Friends, today we are going to listen a conversation between unknown person. In this conversation, you will learn how to start conversation with somebody you don't know. So carefully listen this and make a habit to apply these sentences in your way of talking. Now let's start the conversation. Excuse me, please. Yes, please. Sorry to disturb you, but I wanna ask you something. Yes? Are you new here? I have not seen you before. Yeah, I just arrived yesterday. Okay, got it. What's your name? I'm Kavya. And what's your name? I'm Harvinder. Oh, are you from Punjab? Yeah. Where are you from? I am from Rajasthan. Oh, nice place. Yeah. Have you ever been there? Yeah. It was a nice experience. What do you do? Study or work? I'm a teacher. And what about you? I am a computer engineer. Okay, good. Now please do me a favor. Yeah, sure. What can I help you? I'm looking for an ATM. Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry, I don't know. It's okay. Do you know if there is restaurant around here? Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. So how long will you be here? I think 2 or 3 weeks. That's good. Do you have any exciting plans this weekend? Yes, actually it's my friend's birthday. We are going to have a big party. What do you like to do on weekends? I like visiting new places and to learn new things. That's interesting. Will you please tell me what time it is? Sure. It's 8:30 a.m. Okay, now I have to get going. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Catch you later. Okay, see you. So friends, hope you enjoy the conversation. I'm sure you definitely applied these sentences to improve your way of talking. So if you think the video is useful for you, then please like the video, share with your friends and also subscribe for the next uploads. Till then, bye-bye, keep learning and happy journey to English grammar.